Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be covering 3 alkaline waters. In this video I'll go over how I made each of these, but if you want to know why this is the real vitamin water and each health benefit for each ingredient, please be sure to check the blog post, which I'll have linked down below. So the first water that I'll be making for you all is my strawberry lime infused water. But before we get started with that, I want to show you the alkaline spring water that I used. This is the brand Crystal Geyser. I've been using this for quite a while and I really like it. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. I have some chopped strawberries as well as chopped lime, and then as you can see I have a half a lime. So I'm going to go ahead and add my water, add my strawberries, and add my lime. And then I'd like to take the juice of a lime and also mix it in the water. Next up is the blueberry cucumber infused water. As you can see, I have some chopped cucumber as well as some small frozen blueberries. If you want to achieve the rich color that you'll see here in a minute, make sure that your blueberries are frozen because it'll give the water a nice pretty color. The last water that I have for you all is my Blackberry Ginger infused water. So here I have some blackberry as well as some grated ginger. I decided to go ahead and add some lemon slices to this water as well. Alright, so there you have it, 3 infused alkaline healthy waters that all use real ingredients. Like I said before, please don't forget to check the blog post to get a copy of each of these recipes. I hope you have enjoyed this video and thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.